You guys know I'm down 229 pounds, and I want to talk about non-scale victories, why I make this combo that I saw. It's Vita Cocoa Water and Bloom. The scale doesn't really move for me much anymore, so it's been tough lately because for so long I was losing weight, and now I just am not losing anymore. A scoop of Bloom. I gotta remember how far I've come and the non-scale victories that I've had since. So I'm gonna tell you some of my non-scale victories to give myself a little pep in my step and maybe to give you a little motivation, inspiration. First non-scale victory was being able to wear jeans. Second was, on my bucket list, I wanted to take myself to Disney, and I did that in February. I got on a roller coaster for the first time in 10 years, and I cried like a baby. And then these happened to me recently. So I went to Charleston about 2 years ago, right before my weight loss journey started. I remember asking my husband if he was proud of me for how far I had walked, because walking was difficult at over 400 pounds. And then the other day, I found myself needing to walk up this very, very steep hill. The old me would have looked at that hill like a mountain. And I saw it as a challenge now, but the old me would have avoided that. I walked up the hill and I wasn't even out of breath when I got to the top. It was a challenge, and I almost cried, but I was around people and I wasn't crying. But it was like the feeling I got, like I felt so free. And that brings me to the last one. And this one's gonna seem maybe a little silly, but I was pushing my niece on a swing set the other day, and there was a swing next to her. And I was like, I haven't been on a swing or swing set forever because I was afraid I would break it. I was like, I'm gonna swing. Y'all, I got on that swing and I swung on a swing set. The joy and freedom and just, I can't explain the elation that I felt. This journey was worth it. I've come a long way and I'm just extremely blessed. So that is good. Y'all don't sleep on this.